Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you my smart Autogate system. As you can see from my mobile phone screen, I now have this additional mobile phone remote. I'm able to control the Autogate using traditional radio frequency remote that comes with the Autogate system, my mobile phone, or voice command via Siri on my iPhone. I can do this when I'm at home or when I'm away from home, whether I'm at office or even when I'm on vacation. Now let's try to open and close both gates. Opening. Now let's close them. As you can see, there is some delay on the camera feed displayed on my mobile phone, but that's not the case in my laptop. I believe that might have something to do with how the mobile application interact with the garage camera. But I can live with that as the camera has served its purpose for my use case. I would recommend you to at least have a camera or CCTV in your garage if you intend to control your Autogate when you are away from home, just to avoid from accidentally hitting anything near the gate when operating it remotely. Now let's do it from native iOS Homekit. Opening. Now let's close the gate. Now let's do it using voice command over Siri. I can't demonstrate "Hey Siri" while recording my iPhone screen, hence I will access Siri by long pressing the power button on my iPhone. Let's press the button. Okay, the reason why I want to have additional features for my Autogate is to solve some of my daily routine issues, or glitches I would say, when operating the Autogate. One of the common issues that I face with the Autogate is when I park my car just outside of my garage and I wanted to do a small opening of one side of the gate. Traditionally, I would need to press one button on my Autogate radio frequency remote to open one side of the gate and do a second press to the same button to stop it halfway or stop it where I want it to stop. But the problem is, most of the time, the second press is not detected by the Autogate system. I ended up banging the gate against my car. So to solve this issue, I added this additional function to the Autogate where I now have this dedicated button to do just what I routinely do every day with just a single press from my mobile phone, and of course without banging the gate against my car. Now let's see a demo of that. I'm gonna press the button on my mobile phone remote and the Autogate system will automatically do a small opening of my right or left gate depending on which button I press. Now let's do a small opening of the right gate. As you can see, the gate will automatically make a small opening. So that does doesn't just save my car from getting banged, but I also receive one less complaint from my wife. That's it for now. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe.